Hello and welcome back to Online Marketing Done Right. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all our latest content on digital marketing and technology innovations. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: how AI chatbots are revolutionizing the way businesses drive growth in affiliate sales and enhance customer satisfaction. Let's get started. Driving growth, AI chatbots in affiliate marketing. First off, what exactly is an AI chatbot? In simple terms, it's a software application designed to simulate conversation with human users, especially over the internet. But it's not just any conversation. It's about providing instant support, guidance, and even pushing sales. So how does this impact affiliate marketing? Let's find out. AI chatbots are increasingly being used in affiliate marketing to engage users in real time. They offer personalized recommendations based on user behavior and preferences, which is perfect for promoting affiliate products effectively. Now imagine this scenario. A customer visits a site looking for health supplements. An AI chatbot pops up and assists them by recommending the best options based on their specific needs and past purchases. This kind of targeted interaction not only boosts the likelihood of a sale, but also ensures a happy customer. Studies show that websites employing AI chatbots have seen a significant increase in conversion rates. For affiliate marketers, this means more commission through targeted and effective product placements without seeming too pushy. But it's not just about pushing sales. AI chatbots excel in providing round-the-clock customer service. This immediate response to queries and issues leads to higher satisfaction rates and builds trust, which is crucial for long-term relationships and repeat business. Business owners and customers alike appreciate the efficiency and personalized attention they receive from AI chatbots. Here are a few testimonials highlighting their positive experiences. To integrate an AI chatbot into your affiliate marketing strategy, consider the following steps. Start by defining your goals. Choose the right platform that aligns with your products, and continuously analyze the chatbot's performance to optimize interactions. If you're ready to enhance your affiliate marketing strategy and boost customer satisfaction, AI chatbots might just be the game changer you need. For more tips and insights on using technology to grow your business, stay tuned and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video if you found it helpful. Check out our other videos for more useful tips and strategies. See you next time. This script combines informative content with engaging visuals to keep the viewer interested and motivated to explore AI chatbots for their affiliate marketing needs. 4.